Hi, hello, namaste, welcome to our channel. Today's video is especially for people who have toddlers in their home. Days can be very busy and hectic when you have a toddler in home, but our utmost preference will always be their health, safety, and happiness. Today, I'll be sharing about things that you need to avoid when you have a toddler at home. Never switch on the plug point and leave. If you are someone who has the habit of leaving the plug points on with wire on it, you need to immediately change this habit and need to be very careful when you have kid in home. Kids tend to keep everything in mouth, so make this a habit for the safety. Instead, you can switch off and keep them in a place where it's not reachable to your kids. Seal the empty and dummy plug points. If there are empty plug points that are reachable to kids, seal them with tape so that they won't put their fingers or any metal objects which are conductive in it. Do not encourage them to use gadgets, especially mobile phones. We often see kids from months' age getting attracted to mobiles, tabs, and other gadgets. We sometimes tend to give them to feel relieved for a moment and they start getting habituated, which is not at all good for them. Encourage them to play with toys. Sit with them for some time and play along with them, which creates interest to them. This way, you can make them reduce the usage of mobiles, tabs, and other gadgets. Minimalize TV watch hours. Although this is a better option than mobiles and tabs, watching TV for prolonged hours is not safe and they get habituated. Encourage them to play with other kids. Never fill water in a bucket and leave. This is a very dangerous practice. Kids might play with water and unknowingly fall into bucket. So, always try to maintain empty buckets or, if filled, keep them out of their reach. Keep the floor clean. Never leave water, dust or small particles on floor. You need to be cautious as they easily tend to find things which they shouldn't. Lock the fridge, else they end up removing stuff from it. Echo drum clean. If you are a washing machine user, have a practice of echo drum cleaning once in a month or every 45 days. They might unknowingly put their fingers and close the door. So, either keep the door closed or tie it with a thread like this so that it can't be closed. Keep the unused doors closed. They might end up locking them inside or lock you inside, both of which are dangerous. Don't keep heavy objects on tables and wheel stands which are reachable to kids. They might push the table or the object and make it fall. Don't maintain gap between wall and bed. Try to avoid these kind of narrow places where your kid tries to fit themselves and get hurt. Keep tablets out of their reach. They might play with them and swallow unknowingly, which is very harmful to them. Also, keep sharp objects out of their reach. These are some of the things that I felt we should avoid when we have toddlers in home. If I have missed any, do share in the comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. To watch more videos that we publish on our channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our new video updates.